is the woman. This is the woman that is behind everything that is going on. Now, I'm going to tell you guys information reaching me on my decks. These days, I'm not going to give you guys all the intuitus, but I'll give you information reaching me based on my team. Is that this woman is just there like a Marijata. You know Marijata. This woman is just like a mini god. This woman is just like to say busum tomo wong onushin tomo wong. This woman is the one behind the self-acclaimed Igbo king. He's the main brain. Everything that is going on, she is the one controlling everything. Now, I'm going to give you guys one or two things to be, and the kind of people this woman keep contacting, right? And statement, I mean, Maswate, and I'll tell you guys. Number one, this woman has been trying, because you know, say she's from the central region. She's been trying her best to reach out to our vice president, Jane Nana Opoku-Agyeman. Just after Dr. Hassan Ayariga give this guy an ultimatum 17th of this October to leave Ghana, this woman has activated all her contacts, reaching out to most fancies in the NDC government. And the information reaching us, allegedly, HSA, she's been trying to reach out to our vice president, Jane Nana Opoku-Agyeman. That is what I'm hearing, that she's trying to go around to make sure she'll get enough power. Okay, spiritually, she's a queen mother, and spiritually, she's doing a lot to make sure say she will protect this guy in our land in Ghana. Ukoka Obeka say, oh, your sister, wawari anagoni, so let's let it be. Let's not talk about our sister. But I'm coming here today to tell you guys what she is doing, and I'm telling you, you will say I didn't say it. I'm saying it. Let me say it on authority. Say, if this Igbo guy is not able to leave Ghana, chunk of the load, chunk of the problem, chunk of whatever went on both spiritually and physically, is this woman by name Liberty Kwenu, aka Ngozi, aka Queen Mother. She's the one behind it. Okay,
wahala dey sleep, yanga can't wake him up, guys. I come again with another news. This one, dear, I don't know what to say about this very news I heard this morning, but then, according to Mrs. Liberty Ihenetu, the wife of the fake Igbo king, she said, "My husband will leave Ghana and there's nothing Ghanaians can do about it." Guys, mind you, this news is allegedly. But then let's get right into the video in order for us to have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Let's get right into it, and I will be right back, because of course I have something to tell her. Let's watch.
Ebusia, we are back again with the filler. Like I told you guys, filler no be and this is the only way by which we can expose them. Okay, and to filler no, and no, they made a and into a son and then in Chimunaba, the explanation of who is doing what and who is holding the backbone of Ihenetu, both spiritually and physically, and stay glued and call a friend to call another friend. Say top gossip. We are here and we're going to give you guys all the information needed. Now, Ebusia, information on me say they be na me phone so ma. I'm for the basa. Some of the information respect to all this hula balloon Ghana, because look, these guys we are talking about all right, guys, welcome back to Top Gossip 24. You guys know, sir, when you meet me here, we do our best to enter into corners and then we bring to you guys what is going on. I told you guys yesterday that I will give you guys into details what the Igbo madam, the madam of the house of the self-acclaimed Igbo king, is doing. I told you guys, say she's the main pillar. She's the one fueling and giving the Igbo king all the energies, right? That was what I told you guys yesterday, including some other people he has recruited them. But the woman, Mamile Niji Liberty, Egbeji Liberty, Madam Liberty Ngozi, okay, before he was Liberty Kwenu, that was her name, okay. So Sisiano, as they got married in 1998, Neding Ankasa Alo Egbena Kechole Jake Liberty Ngozi, aka Ihenetu. Okay, now this is the woman that is behind everything that is going on. Now I'm going to tell you guys information reaching me on my decks. These days I'm not going to give you guys all the intuitus, but I'll give you information reaching me based on my team. Is that this woman is just there like a Marijata. You know Marijata. This woman is just like a mini god. This woman is just like to say busum tomo wong onushin tomo wong. This woman is the one behind the self-acclaimed Igbo king. He's the main brain. Everything that is going on, she is the one controlling everything. Now, I'm going to give you guys one or two things to be, and the kind of people this woman keep contacting, right? And statement, I mean, Maswate, and I'll tell you guys. Number one, this woman has been trying, because you know, say she's from the central region. She's been trying her best to reach out to our vice president, Jane Nana Opoku-Agyeman. Just after Dr. Hassan Ayariga give this guy an ultimatum 17th of this October to leave Ghana, this woman has activated all her contacts, reaching out to most fancies in the NDC government. And the information reaching us, allegedly, HSA, she's been trying to reach out to our vice president, Jane Nana Opoku-Agyeman. That is what I'm hearing, that she's trying to go around to make sure she'll get enough power. Okay, spiritually, she's a queen mother, and spiritually, she's doing a lot to make sure say she will protect this guy in our land in Ghana. Say, oh, your sister, wawari anagoni, so let's let it be. Let's not talk about our sister. But I'm coming here today to tell you guys what she is doing, and I'm telling you, you will say I didn't say it. I'm saying it. Let me say it on authority. Say, if this Igbo guy is not able to leave Ghana, chunk of the load, chunk of the problem, chunk of whatever went on both spiritually and physically, is this woman by name Liberty Kweno, aka Ngozi, aka Queen Mother. She's the one behind it. Okay, so like I'm saying, physically, she's trying to reach out to all the government appointees in the central region. She's putting her weight behind and making sure, say, oh, that's what she's doing right now, trying her best to make sure, say, she will get somebody in government institution, okay, to pin down what is going on. Now, there is one lady in the police headquarters, Onusu Air Central Region, and this woman allegedly, she's contacting that woman also in the police headquarters. Now, let me break this news and tell Mr. Dr. Hassan Ayariga and the guys, he said, when they go to the police headquarters, there's one lady there, or influencing whatever they are doing. One lady be our police headquarters, she's been taking she's been taking bribe from this self-acclaimed Igbo king, okay? And so whatever information they are sending there, she has a way of making sure she sends the information back to these guys. And people are talking, and we are also getting information. Oh, baby, say, how did you get it? My sources are strong. These days, I'm not going to give you guys all the feelers, but in the police headquarters, that woman is the one. Mr. Dr. Hassan Ayariga, this message, Munsaka posted to Mr. Dr. Hassan Ayariga that there's a lady, police headquarters, Ihenetu, and the wife, Madam Ngozi, consistently, contact communication, tight. They are trying to pass through things, with money, so they should get to know that. So another contact, Mami Way, from the Central Regional Minister, the office, allegedly, Mami Way, because she want to use her stronghold, and Opeso Yusu, okay? Opeso Yusu, the stronghold, which is the Central Region, and the regional minister and everything. Any Gezel Atufo saying no money idea. She want to use these people to mount up a defense against what Dr. Hassan Ayariga and the other guys are trying to do. Afeisu, Nikro Muheneno, or Tochi Niyama or Honoma, Senebeya. People will rally behind her, send a bear, Ghana, yeah, money, because, I'll tell you guys, the woman said that, the woman said that, allegedly, the woman said that, whether Dr. Hassan Ayariga like it or not, the husband will never leave Ghana. Let me repeat it. Madam Liberty, whether Dr. Hassan Ayariga like it or not, her husband, Mr. Ihenetu, will never leave Ghana. As far as she is alive, as far as she is alive, her husband will never leave Ghana. Okay, that is information reaching us allegedly. Fila according to the Genesis, and whatever they do, we will also go in the realms and get the information out. So they should be aware. Even if they decide not to talk to anybody, we will go in the realms and we'll get the information out and put it. Dr. Hassan Ayariga, Mr. This is what is going on. If you are getting some amount of frustration in the police headquarters, it is because this woman is passing through. This is the only woman using a central region at the FM. So be aware of that. Okay, be aware of that. She's been using that woman in the police headquarters, using people out there in the central region, and then keep saying, "Say, my husband, okay." Now, let me just say something, and let me warn her as well. As far as we are concerned, if you want to protect your husband, go ahead, but not on the Ghana state, not in the Greater Accra region. Madam, tie oba hingeche no ama you gakono no me say Ihenetu, if your wife want to protect you, okay, if your wife is saying that you won't go anywhere, if your wife keep contacting people in government, keep contacting people in the central region, keep contacting people every part, I'll bet me contact ya or say won't call bebiano, then let me just say it's not on the Ghana state, not in Accra. As far as some of us are concerned in Accra, we want to state that you guys have to find your way out. I'm telling you people, the last time I Mikasa, there was one guy who came to comment my comment section saying, say, or the nonsense, Central Region and Ghana, because you don't know. So let me tell you, since you don't know, let me just tell you what is going on, okay? Since you don't know, let me tell you what is going on here. And say, my meno essence of Central Region or Chichiri Niama, she's doing a lot of things in Central Region just to make sure, say, or the bebo amount for them, just to discourage people, just to discourage the youth, just to discourage other things. I'm going to tell you guys, Niama na Ninkwala no so so you know what is going on. So when I talk and then somebody come and say oh, you are crazy, Central Region and Ghana, why are you saying that? I'm saying that because of Niama and the wife ni okay. I'm saying that because wife no Niama or Central Region hono. She's using that as a ketela. BBC they will go to the Central Region and catch them last no. So Marco to us I say was Central Region allegedly Nidine Daso. So whatever happened in Greater Accra, one of these days they will find their way in the Central Region. Because then you people are just saying what you don't know. The woman, I told you guys, fear woman. One slow woman, you see. That's why I say if you have a brother who want to go ahead and marry a Nigerian man, catch and say catch and say onyai. Because women are such a way that woman will not feel or something go into their sweetheart. They will tell you everything. And to this woman in question, Madam Liberty Kwenu waka bibia e wo hono mo e de achere ni husband no from Accra to Central to Volta to everywhere. Wa money kunu all the gifts. Okay? Wa man every tool he needed. I'm telling you guys. So whatever is going on now no, I'm telling you, mama no spiritually or jinem, physically or jinem, you understand? So that's why I said I'm going to tell you guys that mami we in the air. Now let me tell you guys what the kids are doing. Ninkwala no some of them are in the university, right? Very good. Omo mo investing no. They are using them to get group of people. And when you see, say, the media team, you know, much of the media team, you know, majority of them, school near there. Now, there's one person, I'm shocked when I saw what the person wrote. And I'm about to address that person, or a media person. And I don't know the local field that media person is also getting. But I think, say, the kids are using their connection to pull that media person into their end, to be able to do their bidding. And that is one person I have to contact before I shoot the name here. One media personnel, me person me boni din, but me ko contacting no before. Me contacting no me din beba say. He's also doing the bidding of the self-acclaimed Igbo king. And when I saw it, I didn't want to go deep into it. But today, I've dug deep into it and I'm getting some information. So what I want to say is that particular person now, or no, only Igbo king AD, you know. That a media person, no, maybe one or two media person bidding. Akaba could be a person investigation here and but honestly speaking, that particular media person, no, me in my next video. But I'm talking about what this woman is doing. She is the main brain behind Waka Tienyoka, or see they can't do anything. My husband will never leave Ghana. Quote and unquote, allegedly, Madam Ngozi Liberty, aka Ihenetu wife. They married in 1998. So I'm telling you, say, whatever is going on after 17th of October, if this man is not leaving, don't blame anybody. Don't blame any government appointee. The woman. Okay? The woman. I'm still digging, Ebusian. All I want to tell you guys is stay with me. Stay with me. Then in my next video, I'm going to talk about the guy, the Jatapa guy from Kumasi, and one guy boy who is his PRO. In my next video, and I'll tell you what those guys are doing. Dangerous, those two people. Honestly, in my next video, I'll break that filler to you guys. I'll talk about those two people. Now I'm done with the Ihenetu. I'm done with the wife and the kids. What the kids are doing in school, making sure they bring more people around to be like. You see, the last time they did that birthday party, those boys that were, it's the hand of the boys in the school. They are doing this because Abraham and Noko. So don't worry, okay? Don't worry. We'll do our best. We'll bring you everything. If you want all the filler, stay with us here on this platform.
Guys, there's one thing I admire about Ghanaians. They don't care if you're a Ghanaian. When you misbehave, they deal with you accordingly. If they can treat their own people that way, who are you, a foreigner in their land? See, one thing I want to advise our own Nigerian brothers and sisters, I will never stop saying this, I'm telling you. Please, when you go to someone else's land, learn how to respect, number one, their culture. Number two, the law. Every country have their law. Every country have their law, so I don't see a reason why you go into other people's country and try to do what you want to do. Well, I just want to say kudos to Ghanaian youth for coming together, like joining hands together and trying to see the end of this. Because see, if this happened in Nigeria, I'm telling you, they will just give them small talking, like small money. They will just give them small money and they will shut their mouth up. I'm telling you guys, that's just the reality. But Ghanaians don't care. They don't care about like the money you give them. All they think about is saving their country now. There's no country I see that love their country like the Ghanaians. I'm telling you. Okay, let me make an illustration with Donald Trump. You see the way Donald Trump love his own white people. Abi, you know, see the interview that went on between him and the president of South Africa. Abi, you carry your eye, see that one. He doesn't even care about who blacks are. But he was focused on the white in South Africa. That is how the Ghanaians love their land. So you as a foreigner, when you come here, it's either you go by it or you get the F out of the country. Okay, stop spoiling and making us live uncomfortably. Okay? So this is it. This is it. When we are talking, then you guys will come out and be beating your chest. You Nigerians, you will come out and be beating your chest as if you are more than them. Oh yeah, look at what the Ghanaian youths are doing. Can you beat your chest that you can do this in your country? I'm talking about Nigerian youth. Are you there? Are you there? Can you do what the Ghanaians are doing right now? No matter what it is, they are standing on their ground that this fake Igbo king must leave. And their word will not just go like that because the voices of the youth is being heard in Ghana. And as for this, waiting their name, the fake Igbo king's wife, please calm down, madam, calm down. You, when you be Ghanaian, you don't even know how your people operate. You think say they go take bribe or because they call them. You know, see what your husband do. Your husband don't open leg. Everybody don't see in yansh already. Waiting you want can do. I thank the Almighty God for not even for blocking every way. There's nowhere you guys will put your legs and somebody will support you. That's just because your husband has already disgraced una. So carry your shame, go back Nigeria with your husband. That's just it. Oh God, I don't even know. Now the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do want to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye bye.